Next, I want to talk about the course graded assessments, which would be very important to you all. Again, there's going to be 40% individual grade and 60% group grade. So all of you will be assigned a case study that's going to be worth 10% of your total grade. As you can see, the sign-up sheet for the case studies are here, and you'll be either assigned a case studies topic or a case study or a video study, and you'll click here and it will show you which one you have to do. Okay, there's going to be 6 forums. Forum 0 is not graded, it's an introduction. The other 5 are graded, and they're 2 points each for 10 points. There are 2 tests, and they're each worth 10% for 20%. Okay. There's also 5 practical projects. You have to work together in groups of 5. And they're 6 points each for a total of 30. And at the end of the semester, there's a final research project in lieu of a final exam. You do not have a final exam, and that's worth 30%. Okay, so during our first live session, we'll go over the group sign-up sheet to finalize which group you'll be in and to finalize which case study or video study have been assigned to you. I want to now talk about, I'll go over the course outline in a bit, but I want to talk about the layout, right? So we're using a textbook. You can find it if you want, but if you don't find it, the textbook, all the content will be provided with you here. And we're going to cover 5 chapters of the textbook, and what you're going to see is what we're going to repeat. Chapter 1, we're going to take the first 3 weeks. See, chapter 1, chapter 1, chapter 1. So the first week we do the chapter 1 theory, where you're required to view the recordings and the slides, and then you have to do the forum. The forum will always be due. So the forum will be due always on the first week of the chapter. I will also explain the practical project. So on week 2, you'll have the practical, and you're going to have to finish the practical project, and that will be submitted. And then the third week of chapter 1, you have to do research phase 1, which is not graded. So this will repeat 5 times because it's 5 chapters. There's 15 weeks, so 5 times 3 is 15. So if you look going forward, we're gonna start week 4 with chapter 2, and then chapter 2 will do theory, practical, and research, and we'll continue that way. So it's cyclical. Once you've done the first 3 weeks, you're just going to repeat that 4 more times, with the exception that in there, at some point, you're going to have to do the case study, which I will tell you the dates, and the 2 tests. And at the last week, you're going to have the final research.